And that's what a winter in Erie, PA looks like. Can't even open the door. The snow's stacked up fucking half as tall as the door. The driveway's probably got 4 feet in it.
Because I had just told them yes come, and they're coming from down by I-80, a couple of hours drive. They're coming up here because they want to dusting and snow down there, and they're going to come up here to see how much they can
Jesus.
drum up, you know?
Dude. It's literally like 4 feet. Yeah. Can't even see the mailboxes.
I know.
The snow's taller than that mailbox.
Huh?
The snow's taller than the one mailbox you can see.
That's interesting, the garage door.
Yeah, it is cool.
Apparently everybody had to drive with cloud. It looks like it's still snowed in. Yeah, but snowblower does a better job than plows do, I think. Plus they throw it away from it, you know?
Yeah.
They have to lift and throw.
Snow's almost as tall as that guy. Literally.
And there's somebody else. Wonder how many snowblowers they sold in the last couple of days.